Okay, if you watched the one about pages, you learned a little bit about how these pages area and backend contain most of the information on the site. Um, but I wanted to do a separate one on the board page because that's a little bit different. So if we go and we look at the main board page, you see it has this introduction and then a little headline over the grid of photos of board members, which there's a little bit of information about each one. And then there's some more information down below. So this is set up in the back end so that hopefully it'd be really easy to keep it up to date and not have to worry about any formatting issues. It should all take care of itself. You don't have to align photos or size them or anything. So at the top, it's pretty straightforward. There's the title. Here's the introductory paragraph, and then we have this grid of photos and information. So I hope this is pretty self-explanatory. This would be the headline that is over top of this right here. So when you want to change that year, that's where that would happen. And as you change board members, that will all happen right here. So let's say, for instance, we wanted to add a new board member. You'd come down to the bottom. Oh, and by the way, this is another very simple window, all the stuff that comes after the grid. So let's say we're going to add a new board member. We click this button here and we get this new row. It says no image selected, and so we want to add an image. So here's all the stuff that's previously been uploaded to your library. Other board members and other photos. Typically, though, you'd probably need to upload a new file. So click Upload here, and then you can just drag a file onto the screen, or alternatively, you can use this file browser. We'll just pick this random photo that I have sitting around. So that will upload. You can see I'd uploaded it before, but and then click Select, and there it is. And then we would put in the name. So this would be board member, whoever that is. This second column is if they have a sort of a specific position on the board. So for those who are just directors on the board, we just leave that blank. This next field is for the firm that they work at, or their employer. So this would be, that's us, the goalie Quinn, say. I don't think we would serve on the board, but, And then this last one is an email address that will be exposed on the site. So right now you just wanted to have the officers have their email address available and not the rest. But you would just type in an email address there. So that's it. Now if we hit Update, and then we go back to the front of the site and refresh this page, there's our new board member. So let's say you wanted to change the order of these. This is really easy. You can just come over to this left-hand side where these numbers are and drag this up to wherever you might want it, and then Update. And as we go back here, it has moved it up into that position. Somebody goes off the board, also very easy. Over on the right-hand side, you'll notice if you hover over this kind of medium gray area, there's a little plus and minus that shows up. Just click that minus. That one goes away. Update. And we'll come back and refresh, and that will go away. And then editing is very easy, of course. Just fill in any of these fields, and if you wanted to change a photo, if we took Todd away, you'll just click on that little X, and then you can start over here and upload a photo like we did before, or just add one that's already in the system, and we'll just put him back. And that should be about all there is to that page. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. The photos, the only requirement for the photos on this page, let me just check this quickly. They should be at least they should be at least 160 pixels square when you upload them. If they're smaller than that, it will look a little bit funny. So just make sure they're at least that big, and it's good to do the crop beforehand if you can. The computer will crop it to this size automatically, but you might not get exactly the crop you want. So it might be a good idea to, if you know how to do that in a simple image program, just crop the photo square to kind of like these other ones are. And as long as it's at least 160 pixels square, you'll be fine. You don't have to size it to that exact size because the computer will make a version of that that fits the grid. So as long as it's bigger, not smaller. So that's all. Thank you.